morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're watching this. We are going to look at removing this rear subframe. Everything else is off the car more or less. It's just this rear subframe, and it's not long now until Mr. Jaguar turns up with his jig, his rollover jig, his spit. So it needs to be done. So I'll try and set you up on the tripod so you can see what we're looking at. So if you bear with me. Right, both wheels are off, and we're now going to attempt to start to drop the rear subframe. So first of all, we're going to take off the top of the shocks, then we're going to do the ones in the boot floor, and then we're going to do the ones at the front. I'm hoping it's just going to drop down. The shell is supported on dollies at the moment, so the shell will move a bit. I'll show you, 2 seconds. This is the shell. The shell's on 2 dollies, so I can get round to both sides. Not much room, but enough. So we need to undo them 2 shocks, which will lower the arms. We also then need to take out the ones in the boot floor either side, and then we're going to do the ones there and on the other side as well.
My life's a conundrum, you see. I've been growing that backbone that you've been telling me I need. So my one suggestion is you stop correcting me. I choose my words easily. Searching for the right ones can leave you interrupting me. So my mind and take what you have to say. And I hope that you don't mind what's been on my mind. The excuses I made, and so you can tell me the truth. That's a quality that I'm not used to. And so when you do I need time to believe in you, 'cause I haven't hurt before. My heart is healing and it doesn't want to break anymore. Give me a second, please. This constant questioning is putting pressure on me. I hope that you don't mind what's been on my mind. The excuses I made, and I'll always change. My opinions won't stay the same, and so when I do, don't tell me who to change it to. I know I'm an ignorant fool. This place has changed me and I have forgot my rules. But the rules do not know me. I will continue to take things a little more easy. So point your fingers at me, kicking and screaming until your dreams are seen. Home's a long way from here. You'll be taking it alone this time.
so here's an update. As you can see, that's ready to come off. A bit close, but it'll come. What's stopping it is them. I think there's a knot, a captive knot inside. There's one on either side that's snapped, I think, or not being put in properly, so I think it's time to get the grinder out, because the sills are coming off anyway, so don't really make too much difference, to be fair. So yeah, it's time for the grinder. And that, guys, is a subframe released. Now just needs dragging out. To be fair, I'll probably drag the shell forward so I can lift it, but they are heavy piece of equipment, these. So yeah, there she is, she's out. She's now sat on the floor. So there you go. Yeah, I'm lying down, and yeah, I'm probably going to go to sleep here. It's a big job that on your own. Massive job. Especially when things are rotten or rusty or don't want to come off. That's a big job on your own, that. So I think it's about time get changed up and go pick Holly up from school. So yeah. Oh god, I am knackered. It's pouring with sweat. Yeah, if you are going to attempt that, try getting someone to help you do it, because that is a beast of a job. I knew it was going to be a big job anyway. I did ask a couple of people if they could help me, but it's weekday, it's work day. So unfortunately I couldn't get any help, so I had to do it on my own. So I'll sign it off later. Well, I got up off the floor. It was so close to coming out, might as well get it out, hadn't you? So with a lot of swearing and pulling and pushing and lifting, and there you go. She now has 0 subframes.